Condensed milk cream breads are one of the famous Korean street food. These breads are very tasty with condensed milk cream. Good option for a tea time. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special bread with condensed milk cream. Take 130 ml of warm milk. Into that add 30 grams of sugar, stir and dissolve the sugar. When sugar dissolves, add 5 grams of dry yeast. Mix and cover with the lid. Set this liquid aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our yeast is activated. Now in a mixing bowl, take 250 grams of all-purpose flour. To this, add 3 grams of salt. Mix well salt and flour. Now it's time to add some wet ingredients. Add 1 whole egg and the yeast, which we prepared at first. Mix all the ingredients to form a dough. All ingredients combined well. Now I will add 45 grams of unsalted butter. Butter should be in room temperature. Mix well butter and dough. After adding the butter, dough will be sticky. Don't be worried and don't add any extra flour. Take your time and knead the dough. After a while, dough will become soft, elastic and it will not stick to your fingers. Look. Our dough is not sticking to the fingers. This is the right consistency. Now grease the bowl with the oil or butter. Place the dough in it and cover with damp cloth or stretch film. Rest it for 1 hour or till the dough grows double in size. After 1 hour, our dough grows double in size. Spread some flour on working surface and drop the dough. Press gently to make the gas out. Now cut it into 4 equal parts. Take each part and turn it into ball shape. Cover it with damp cloth or stretch film and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, press the balls and make the gas out and make it into ball shape again. Place these balls in a baking tray aligned with parchment. After you making all, cover with cloth and rest it for 1 hour or till they grow at least double in size. Now take 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix and apply on top of the bread. It will give good color to it. After applying egg, you can spread some sesame seeds if you want. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 20 minutes. Till our bread will be ready, we will prepare cream filling for it. For cream filling, take 150 grams of heavy cream in a bowl. To this, add 100 grams of condensed milk, now with help of hand mixer, beat until they get well combined. Here I am using homemade condensed milk so that it has slight caramel color. Now take this cream filling into an icing bag. Look, our bread also ready. It baked perfectly. Now make cut on the bread. Fill the cream between the cuts. That's it. Our tasty, yummy condensed milk cream bread is ready. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.